بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Once I had an interesting dream. In my dream, I met a lion in a desert. It was a powerful lion. It did not harm me. Soon we were friends. The lion told me that his name was Jagu. We played and danced for some time. The lion brought some fruit for me. I ate tasty fruit to my fill. Jagu told me many tales of his childhood. It had a glorious past. Soon its mood changed. It looked at me angrily. It was preparing to attack me. I ran to save my life. I started screaming. My mother woke me up. I realized that all that was in my dream. I thanked God that it was a dream. What if it was not a dream? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also like and share this video with your friends. Thanks.